Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add your Cash App card to Apple Pay. First, unlock your phone and open Cash App. You will land on the home screen. At the bottom of the screen, look for the card icon. This is called the Cash Card tab. Tap on it once to continue. Now you will see an image of your Cash Card on the screen. Tap directly on the card image. This will open more options related to your card. Next, look for the button that says Add to Apple Pay. Tap on it. Your phone will now start the process of linking your Cash Card to Apple Pay. You will see some instructions on your screen. Follow each step carefully. You may be asked to confirm your details, such as your name or card information. Make sure everything is correct. After that, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. Read them if you want, then tap Agree to move forward. Your phone may take a few seconds to complete the setup. Once everything is confirmed, your Cash Card will be added to your Apple Wallet. Now your card is ready to use. You can pay in stores, apps, or online using Apple Pay with your Cash App balance. Thanks for watching.